Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can create tables in Databricks. Basically, there's two ways to do this. The first one is going to be using the SQL in a notebook, which is going to be this one. And the second way is going to be a lot way easier, which is just by heading over to your account dashboard. From here, you want to click catalog. And basically inside, we have the create option at the top corner of our screen. So just click on it. Click add data, wait for it to load in, and then we have the create or modify table, upload tabular data files to create a new table or replace an existing one. So let's just click on it, and here you then want to upload your table, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.